Morning everybody, it's Big Jim here. It's about 11:30 in the morning and it's friggin' cold. It ain't even above freezing yet. We're supposed to be getting some snow tomorrow night into Sunday, and I want to try to start this thing and get it moved into the shed or in the shop area, at least where I can work on it out of the snow. I don't want this thing covered in snow trying to work on it. It'd be too hard to do. Plus I got a wood stove in there, I can heat things up. Anyway, I'm gonna set this up and try to get it started, and then I'm gonna move it inside, fingers crossed, because it's cold. Take a little drive. Well, we got it started, got it moved in here. I can still tell that I gotta adjust the carburetor a bit. I'm gonna let it run out of gas. I shut the fuel off. And we got a little fuel leak right there on the, right here on the connection. Ain't no big deal. As long as she keeps running, till she runs out of fuel, I'll be happy. she goes, starting to lose fuel. All right, accomplished. Man, it's cold out here. I'm here to tell you. Yeah. It's not real warm. It would have took a long time for this to heat up. But anyway, that's the start of it. And I'll be getting things set up in here, warmed up whenever, so I can put the rest, because I'm expecting the oil gauge today. If I get that, I'm going to put all these parts on, and hopefully by the end of this weekend I'll have it all put back together, and maybe I can take it up, fill it with water. As long as the weather cooperates and it doesn't get severely cold to where it would freeze the water, I think I'd fill it up with water first, test it, make sure it doesn't leak, and then buy me some antifreeze. Anyway, that's it for now.